Welcome to SL Baina English. I am Sumalata, GVMC School Arpipeta. If you like my videos, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Okay. In the last video, we learned changing the voice in statements or declarative sentences. Today we are going to learn in interrogative sentences. Okay. Interrogative sentence example: how can we do this work? This is given, if suppose it is given in the exam for the changing voice from active to passive. How is neither a subject nor an object. So we write it as it is. Okay. That means how. Can do is the verb. How should we change that? Can be done. Can be done. It should be changed to can be done. Here subject we. It is changed to the object us. Okay. We should be changed to us as the object. Here object this work. This work should be changed to subject. Where to put that? After can. Can is the helping verb. After that subject. After that remaining sentence. I already told that. That means how do you write? How can this work be done by us? Question mark. Okay. Once again I tell. How is neither a subject nor an object. So we write it as it is. Okay. Here verb is can do. It should be changed to can be done. Can do, can be done. Here subject we. We should be changed to object us. Okay. Here object this work. This work is changed to subject. Where do we write the subject? After the helping verb. Here can. Can is the helping verb. This work is the subject. Then be done. Remaining sentence are completely written after the subject. Okay. Can this work be done by us? Question mark. How can this work be done by us? Do you understand? Okay. Next, who taught this? Here, who means doing person. And so, it is the subject. Object for this is whom. Once again I tell you, who here means doing person. Who is doing person. And so, it is the subject. Subject must be changed to object. Object for who is whom. Okay. We must put by before that. Before the object. So, by whom was, here verb taught. Taught is in past tense. And so, we must write was taught. Okay. Was. Next. Here object this. This object is changed to subject. So we must write the subject after the helping verb. Was. Here was is here as the helping verb. Okay. Was this taught? By whom was this taught? Question mark. Okay. Shall I tell once? Who means doing person. So it is the subject. Object for who is whom. Okay. We must put by before that. By whom. Here were taught. Taught is in past tense. So we must write was taught. Okay. Here object this. This should be changed to subject. Where should we put the subject? After the helping verb. In questions we must write the subject after the helping verb. Okay. Was is the helping verb. Next subject. This object is changed to subject, and so we put after the helping verb. Was this taught? Question mark. By whom was this taught? I think you understood. Next, imperative sentences. Close the door. Here we use let. Okay. Let their object the door. Let the door. Verb close. Be closed. Let the door be closed. Open the door. Let the door be opened. Drink milk. Let the milk be drunk. Okay. Next, please close the door. Please request. In the place of please, we must write you are requested to. In the place of please, we must write you are requested to. Next, close the door. Okay. Please close the door. Instead of please only, we are writing you are requested to. Okay. If they give close the door as active voice to change into passive voice, then we should use let. Okay. Let the door is the object. Let the door verb close be closed. Okay. Please close the door. Instead of please, we must write you are requested to close the door. Okay, it's enough. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.